Turbo Conquering Mega Eagle! So I was going to attempt to forge an axe at some point. After my little spoon forging exercise the other night, I've come to the conclusion that I really need some hammers for forging, you know. So what I've done, I've been to Mandy's tool shop. Mandy loves her tools and sells them at very reasonable prices. And what? Got a couple of these mini sledgehammers, and the idea today is to forge a cross peen, straight peen. I don't know if I'm going to do it on the same hammer yet. I haven't decided. And a really fucking big ball peen and a flatter. Yeah. In order to do this, first off, I'm going to make a swaging tool. still a bit warm. Here you go then, folks. A couple of lovely big hammers. They started off as the mini sledges, as you saw at the beginning of this video. What we've done, I tried necking them out a bit, and then that I believe is what's known as a rounder. It's just ever so slightly convex, and that's obviously a ball peen, very pronounced ball. But a cross peen, no, straight peen on the back. It always tell us straight runs the same way as the handle, and cross is the handle. So we got straight and a cross peen, and a rounder and a ball peen. So what? Yeah, the whole point of making these hammers is blacksmith's hammers. They're bloody expensive, you know. And these were £7 each, and I paid £3 for the handles each. I would have made mine, but they were sat there, and because I was in the tool shop, I got to pick them out and choose and move the grain running in the right direction, which some people say isn't important on an axe, but it's bloody important on a hammer, because otherwise they just fuck up at the top. Unfortunately, I didn't spot that they had a ridiculous twisting, and this one's like a propeller, you know. So it's fitted up nice and square into the head, you know. It's all square up there. But by the time we get down to the by the handle, it's all fucking boss-eyed. I swear I looked at that, you know. Like I'm not sure whether it just hasn't done that in my shed. Hey ho. We'll know tomorrow when I come back and it's done a full 180 degrees throughout the length of that handle, but hopefully not, eh? The whole reason I made these is because I'm going to be doing an axe at a railway track, so hopefully you can join me for that. I'm hoping it should be quite impressive, and so yeah, I won't test these out now, because they'll get literally a baptism of fire in the next week or so. Cheers, like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, please, and see you again soon. Bye bye.